guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Lauren. I don't know how you found me, but please definitely stay. Sorry about the lighting. I just thought I'll use natural lighting today. I was going to plug my ring light in, but it was just a bit too much light and it deflected from the outside light, so I do apologise for the lighting. So today's video is showing you what I got for Valentine's Day. Now, I'm so sorry if this video is going to be quite short. Me and Nathan don't really do Valentine's Day because obviously our anniversary is not that far apart. So our anniversary is the 4th of April. So it's just over a month away, well, 2 months away. Well, by the time you guys watch this, that far. So yeah, we don't really do Valentine's Day for each other. Our point of view is, why have one day to tell each other how much we love each other, how much we care for each other, you know, how much we mean to each other, when we do it every single day anyway. Personal opinion is you don't need one day to tell each other how much you mean to each other when you can just do it every day. Like, we always tell each other we love each other, you know, how much we mean each other, like we show things as well, we buy each other stuff as well. We literally buy each other stuff throughout the whole year, so it's like our Christmases, birthdays, Valentine's Day, anniversary all rolled into 1 year. So yeah, we buy each other stuff anyway throughout the whole year, so we don't really do much for Valentine's Day. But this year, obviously there was a game that Nathan wanted that was meant to be out on the 14th of February, which is Valentine's Day. So I thought, you know what, I'll give him the money, then that'd be my Valentine's present to him. Then it kind of got moved into March, so now he has to wait till March to play his game. And then obviously I was at work and Nathan texted me saying, oh, I've got you something for Valentine's Day. And I thought, oh, why does he do this all the time? So now that he purchased me something, I had to go and get something for him. Obviously I already gave him the money for the game that he wanted. So while me and Lisa was in town, which you guys would have seen in the videos, I actually bought him just a little Valentine's little sweet things. Just got him a chocolate rose, some like little love heart sweets, and then I bought a little love voucher, which is probably going to bite me in the bum, but it's all fun and games, you know. If you don't know what the love vouchers are, we got them, well actually I got it from Card Factory, and it's just got a few vouchers that you can just tear off and give to your partners, so you can have like chore weekends, like a free chore weekends, like do no chores or anything, having dinner for two, having like movie nights, you know, stuff like that. And then at the back you can write in whatever you want. So like I said, this is the reason why I said it's going to bite me in the bum, because he can literally write anything he wants. As soon as he tears it out of the book and gives it to me, I have to obey. So it's all fun and games, but it's hilarious. And I thought, you know what, it's a little bit of fun, so why not get it? So these are the little things that Nathan got me for Valentine's Day. They're not much, but I wasn't expecting anything from him anyway, because like I said, we don't really do Valentine's Day. We just obviously buy something for a nice meal, and we just have like a nice little dinner indoors. And obviously our anniversary is coming up so close, so we don't really do Valentine's Day. But this year he actually got me a couple of things. He did have some chocolates, but we ate them the day before Valentine's Day, so they literally went before Valentine's. Nathan's mum always shops on Temu. She saw these pyjamas. Now I have pyjamas for every different occasion. I have some for Christmas, I have Halloween ones. I'm just trying to think what other pyjamas I have. I have like everyday ones, I have comfy ones, Disney ones, you know, summer ones. I have so many, but I don't actually have Valentine's Day ones. So my mother-in-law saw these pyjamas on Temu and showed Nathan, and he wanted her to get them for him for me for Valentine's Day. I haven't been wearing them. They are so comfy and so cozy. I literally had to change, because I was wearing them this morning, into my Mrs. Hinch lounge set, just so I can show you guys the pyjamas. But that is what the top looks like. It's got a teddy bear on, it's got I love you on the top, and it's nice and long and slouchy as well. It's nice and comfortable, which I absolutely love them. So yeah, she got these from Temu. And then this is what the bottoms look like. So it's got the little teddy bear print all over, and it's got I love you written on it as well, and they are really nice and long. Like I said, they are so comfy. If I didn't have to film today, I would literally live in these for the whole weekend, because obviously it's Valentine's Day weekend, so I literally live in these. But obviously where I'm filming them, and I wanted to show you guys properly, I had to change. Valentine's Day pyjamas. Now, this other present, Nathan actually got it from TikTok. I absolutely love it. Now, the reason behind this is because Christmas that's just gone, last Christmas, I saw that P. Louise done their advent calendar, but it was like a train, and it had like the front bit and then loads of carriages, which you had all the products in. And I wanted to get it. It was like over 200 quid, and I thought it's a bit much. And then I thought to myself, hold on a minute. I forked out £199 for Elemis advent calendar, and I'm in an hour in whether to get the P. Louise one, which is over £200. So it's basically near enough the same price. But every time I kept saying, yeah, I will get it. But by the time I actually thought to myself, right, I'm going to get it this week, they were all sold out. I was so disappointed because I really wanted to get the P. Louise advent calendar. I only have one product from P. Louise myself. It's like a little brown little tinted lipstick or lip gloss. I absolutely love that. I tend to not wear it all the time because it's my favourite, and I absolutely love it, and it lasts a very long time as well. And that is the only P. Louise products that I have. I do want to get more of the P. Louise products because they look absolutely incredible, and people have been raving so much about the products. And do you know what, I just wanted to try every single product they have. So my amazing fiance saw this on TikTok and bought it. So this is the P. Louise box. You get different ones. You can get like boxes. I think this was like £30, I think. You can get different ones on there. You can get like cases, nutcrackers. You can get so much stuff. But Nathan got this on TikTok and he saw it and he thought, do you know what? She wanted to get the P. Louise train, so get her the P. Louise box. I absolutely love the packaging. It is me to a T. I love pink. I love anything pink and girly, like Barbie kind of vibes. I absolutely love this box. Now, I will show you the products in a minute, but just take a second for the box. I will probably end up keeping the box and put it on my lack shelf. So yeah, it looks so beautiful, so stunning, and I absolutely love it. The products in here are incredible. I have been tempted to use these products since I got these, but I thought to myself, no, I wanted to show you guys. Obviously, P. Louise is expensive anyway, so you get this for the £30 one. If you ever go on TikTok and you see the £30 P. Louise box, these are the products you get. I don't know whether it's exactly the same as all the other beauty boxes, but this is what I got in this beauty box. I will show you all the products one by one as well. I absolutely love them. I have actually tried what is it? I've actually tried this one, but all the others I haven't tried yet, and I'm so excited and I cannot wait. The first product in this P. Louise box, we have some lashes. So these are the P. Louise lashes Taste of Tease, reusable up to 20 times. I love a good lash. I've got a few lashes now. I've got loads from Imogen before her store closed down, but yeah, I've got some beautiful lashes. I don't really go for lashes every single day, obviously, because I've got work and we can't wear lashes at work. So when I've got like a birthday party to go to, or it's like an anniversary or stuff like that, and I want to be a bit more glam than I would wear lashes, then we have this. Now this looks very exciting and I cannot wait to actually try this and use this. This is the Bad BITCH Energy Silky Smoothie Piece of Cake. What is this? It's a like I think it's a moisturiser. Soothes and nourishes skin. Yeah, body lotion. And do you know what? I'm gonna actually pop a little bit on my hand. Oh, it really does smell. What's it smell like? A piece of cake. Oh, it actually does smell like birthday cake. So let me get a little bit on my hand. Just a little bit. Oh, it smells really, really nice. So that's what it looks like, nice and pink. Actually smells really, really sweet. And I love it. Oh, the scent is called Piece of Cake, and when you actually put it on, it actually does smell like like a birthday cake. Do you know when you can smell like the icing of the birthday cake? Oh, it smells really, really nice. It smells really sweet, but it's really nice. Oh, and smell really, really nice now. Oh. And it's made my skin, or made my hands on my skin on my hands really nice and smooth. Oh, oh. So I'll definitely have to try and get some more of these because that smells incredible. Like I said, it's the first time actually using this. I've been dying to use it since I got it. But yeah, it smells really, really nice. I will have to get some more of that. Then we have, obviously I haven't tested this out because it's still in the packaging. This is the P. Louise Fruit Fix Setting Spray, and it's the scent orange. So obviously this is the setting spray for your face when you pop your makeup on. I've got loads of setting sprays. Next time I do my makeup, I think I will have to actually give this a go. People are saying that the setting sprays are insane. They are incredible. They set your makeup. So next time I do my makeup, I will actually use this. So I will pop a close-up look so you guys can see. So we have a lovely setting spray. Then we have a brow gel. Yeah, a P. Louise Oh So Beautiful Eyebrow Gel. May your coffee be as strong as your brow game. And it normally has a shade on it. I think it's just normal. It don't really say anything. Or it just says baby cool or something like that. I don't know. But that is what it looks like. It's slippy now. It's just a normal wand, and it's just like a proper brow gel, so it sets your brows in place. Yeah, eyebrow gel. I haven't actually got a P. Louise brow gel. When I was trying to say the name, that is the name of it. I don't know if that's like the scent or something. It's there as well. But yeah, that's the brow gel, which would be so excited to use. I always try and keep them in their packaging until I use them, because I don't know about you guys, but when I open all the packaging, I look in my drawer and I think, right, I've used them all. I haven't got any new products to test out. So if I keep them in their boxes, at least I know, right, that's new, I can try them out. Then we have a P. Louise Get a Grip I Never Slip When I'm Stuck on You Gripping Primer. Now, I love primers, I really, really do. I've got a few primers now, and I'm so excited to actually try this. Again, I'm going to keep the little plastic covering on, because then I can see whether it's new or not, and then I can try it out next time I do my makeup. I haven't actually done a makeup video in a very long time actually, so I might actually try and do that sometime. So I will actually try and use all my new products as well. And then last but no means least, we have this. So this is the P. Louise Stay Shining, Stay Super Hydrated Formula Lip Oil, yes. And this is the Calorific. I think I said that right, Calorific. That's what it looks like. And then I actually love all the little boxes. I think the boxes look so cute. La la! Look how beautiful that looks. It looks so stunning. So this is a lip oil. I've actually used this. It smells incredible as well. I will actually put some on. I love lip oils. Lip oils and lip balms I love to death. I actually have, sorry, just using the camera for a second. I actually have a lip oil that makes your lips go cold. I think that might have been my Huda Beauty Ice Chronic one, I think. It's in a blue tube. I've got quite a few in them actually. But yeah, this is the lip oil. It looks absolutely stunning. I love the crown on top. I love the design and the packaging of the P. Louise products. They are absolutely insane. Obviously I've used that, so obviously that will come out of the packaging, but I'll just pop that back in there for a second. But yeah, I absolutely love, and obviously it's called Calorific, and it's beautiful, and I love all the products in this box. Like I said, Nathan got this on TikTok shop, so if you want any of the P. Louise products, head over to the TikTok shop. They have quite a few. Also, you can actually use the P. Louise website as well. Guys, that is going to conclude today's video. I hope you guys have enjoyed. So sorry if this video is a bit short, but I just wanted to show you what I got for Valentine's Day. Well, like I said, we don't normally do Valentine's Day for each other. It's more our anniversary, but we don't need one day to tell each other how much we love each other. We do that every single day anyway. To be honest with you, when you're married, in a couple, you know, if you're just getting to know someone, if it's just early days, you don't really need to tell them you don't need one day to tell them how much they appreciate you, how much you love them, how much you care about them. You should be doing it every single day anyway. You don't need one day to show your partner how much you love each other. You should do it every single day anyway. So without further ado, I'm going to end today's video here. As always, if you have enjoyed today's video, give it a like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.
Tell you look more than okay. Think I need help.